how do you feel na Prangkahan Tayo is back after many years?
So I'll just introduce myself na lang. No? Yeah, magandang araw sa tagapanood. After quite some time, I think 10 taon, no? I-revive natin itong programang ito. Prangkahan tayo, brutal kung brutal. Although hindi namang ganun ka-brutal, no? By the way, I am the main host, Freddy. Just call me Freddy. At this point, pakilala ko muna yung kasama natin. Our co-host and paano ba ang term sa atin, Pards?
Hindi
Mr.
naman.
Ronald Dizon.
Hello, good afternoon. I'm Ronald Dizon. Matagal na ako sa journalism,
Yeah.
pero mainly focus ko is Tarlac. I was with the Philippine Daily Inquirer about maybe 20 years ago. Right now, sa LGU ako ng Concepcion Tarlac. But of course, yung mga opinion na i-express ko rito is my own. And
Yeah.
not necessarily of Mayor Noel Villanueva or
Yeah,
the LGU.
LGU. Yeah. Oo. Sige, sige. I hope we can have a good mix here. Anyway, just to give our viewers a brief idea, no? Ang tema ng programang ito is we will be inviting subjects and well, they may be hot issues or not. We will try to do justice to them. Subukan natin i-tackle as best as we can at may usapan nga kami ng partner ko rito. Si Pards, Ronald, is either I take the positive or the pro side of the issue or I take the cons para naman mapalabas natin.
Mhm.
'Di ba?
Tama, Pards.
Partner, no? Para naman we try to extract and bring out the heart of the issue.
Mhm. Lalo na ngayon, napakaraming issues, Pards.
Exactly. Without fear or favor.
Yes.
Kaya nga. In fact, if we will allow ourselves to tackle the latest issue, itong nangyaring ano, no? And I was earlier talking to one of the staff here and we had a lively discussion kasi sabi niya there was police abuse
Mhm.
sa nangyari, no? Ikaw ba, Pards? What's your take? I mean, I made some comments but at your end, was there police abuse dito sa 3 rallying naganap sa Manila?
Yung optics kasi, yung mga nakikita ko is more on abuse yung mga pulis eh. Sa point of view ko, yung mga nakita ko, although very limited, only a few minutes. So, wala ako ron. So, medyo limited yung
Yes.
yung kung magko-comment man ako, it might not be
Yes.
the right one. So,
That accurate.
oo, baka hindi kasi accurate. Pero yung
Yeah.
limited videos na panood ko, parang maraming nasaktan na mga police.
Oo. Of course, maximum tolerance was the keyword.
Yes.
But sa nakita ko rin, kasi I was talking to one of our staff here and she was saying there was abuse. There was police brutality. Sabi ko, I'd like to, I really don't know, but I'd like to see the before and the during. Huwag na yung after, but before, because ay nakita ko rin, like you sa optics nga, no, was, yung tolerance ng police, di ba? They were holding their shields.
How long they were
Tinotaunt
taunted,
talaga sila.
how
Ano ba
long
ginawa nila to
sinapikon. Di ako
deserve to be taunted? In the first place, mga kapwa Pilipino yan eh. Diba? There are brothers, diba? Trabaho lang naman din nila yan. And that's what I saw, yung taunting sa kanila. At may binugbog pa nga, may hinampas
Yes.
pa ng mesa, ng upuan. So, terrible eh. Pards eh, diba? I mean,
Yes.
I'd like to see a video showing from the beginning how long ako pro PNP or whatever. Sabi ko nga, the tema ng programang to, we'll try to be as neutral, as objective as possible. But, no matter how tolerant you are, may hangganan eh.
Yes,
Di
that
ba?
is correct. Oo.
Up to a man can only take so much of taunting at pang-inis, pang-aasar. So, anyway, I hope we can shed more light to it in the coming episodes kung talaga bang nagkaroon ng ano, and perhaps we can invite our PD
Yes.
ang bagong PD natin, no? Sino ba PD natin? General Estoro, Colonel Estoro.
Yes.
Ganon, no?
Kakaiba yung kwan yung maximum tolerance ngayon. Hindi yung mga kabataan kasi ngayon, hindi nila nakita yung mga time
The
noon.
past administration,
Past
especially way back.
administrations, ibang-iba.
Iba, mahaba
Iba.
ito, Pards. Haba ng pasyensyang pinakita ng mga ito.
Yes.
Believe nga ako talaga, I commend the PNP ng NCR for their patience talaga. Na umabot yung restraint that they have shown para umabot silang ganon, no? But yun na nga, if there are other sides to the coin, then take it to us.
Yes.
Di ba?
Oo.
Oo.
Kasi mga videos na nakita nga, halimbawa yung mga nasasaktan ng mga pulis, tapos yung mga paninira, especially sa Manila, di ba? Kaya naggalit si Mayor Isko.
Exactly. Maraming inaresto naman talaga.
Oo.
Tapos sabi pa ng isang staff natin, kasi they were minors that were arrested. In other words, kabataan, which the problem with that is, in the first place, you're a minor. What were you doing there?
Correct.
Number one. Number two, there's no way of telling. After the fact na yan doon ka, sumama ka sa rally, nadamay ka, or whatever.
Especially nakaano sila some of them were wearing masks.
Oo,
So,
exactly.
mahirap i-identify hanggat hindi mo nakita ang bata. Pero tama ka, Pards. Bawa, nandun. Tayo nga sa bahay Magulo yung bata, mapapalo ka. Kailangan may disiplina. So,
Yeah.
paglabas mo, wag mo expect na magulo ka ron at walang sasaway sa'yo. Kasi civilized society na tayo. So, it's not right to behave like that, like an animal.
Exactly. Oo. And our freedoms, the right to to object and to go to the streets and to rally. Okay, nandun na yung right na yon. But just like the right and the rights of the press, freedom of the press, it is not absolute.
Yes, that is
Diba?
correct.
Lahat yan may limitations
Yan yung madalas na yung ginagamit. Oh, that's
Yes.
suppression of our freedom of speech, freedom of to express ourselves. No, hindi. Tama ka, may hangganan lahat.
Hangganan yan. Oo. Besides, there are laws that can hold the press accountable if there are abuses, di ba?
Yes.
So, ano naman yan I believe it's still a two-way street. But, yun nga, siguro to just extend this further before we end this initial salvo natin, it's what really was the idea behind that rally was itong lumalabas sa tenga natin to Parang actually, ayoko na sumausaw dyan unless we can invite some of the main proponents. Pag sinabi, my idea of main proponents, the starring actors would be simply what? The legislature, the lawmakers, the executive, the DPWH, and those related, di ba? Sa executive, which is the DBM, the COA. Ikaw, Parts, what do you think? What's your 2 cents dyan? Ano bang matutroin mo?
Actually, it's dito sa programa kasi natin, na pag-usapan nga namin ni Pards Freddy, is mag-invite talaga ng members of from the police, from civil society, politicians,
Lahat.
both sides of the aisle. So hindi pro red ka, pro green, yun lang invite mo. So we as much would like to present the opinion of his side of the fence. So hindi lang isa.
Yes.
So kasi halimbawa kami ni Pards, may limitation din kasi yung mga
naman.
namin yung mga
Yes.
knowledge namin sa mga ganyang bagay-bagay. So it's best na makuha yung side mismo nung actual authority or person na mas makakapag-explain sa ating mga
Exactly.
mga viewers, no?
Exactly. And it's a nice move. It's a welcome move talaga. It is a rude awakening, ika nga, no? I mean, what makes me although makes me a bit sad is, dapat nangyari to 25 years ago pa. Medyo, I'm not gonna be the ultimate negative person here, but, well, sabi naman nila, as long as you're alive, there is hope. But medyo, this is a tough fix. Ayusin, no? Kasi, na-discover yan. That is just sa akin, tip of the iceberg lang yan eh. You know, it is,
Yeah, and then it
Ang
snowballed, no?
Yes.
Ang bilis eh.
oo, pero, you know, I hate to ask this but I have to ask it. Okay, after the filing of the cases, then what? That's just step one eh.
Mm.
Step one. In fact, recent memory, di ba? Recent memory, Napoles. Yung Napoles case. May na-convict ba doon? Si Napoles nga is in jail eh. Pero Napoles is in jail not because of the corruption. She's in jail because of illegal detention.
Yes.
Ibang kaso eh.
Yung staff niya, di ba?
Yes, yun eh. So,
Dinitain niya.
that's recent memory. Tapos ganun na nangyari. So, doon pa lang.
At saka may man na-convict naman eh. Pero eventually,
Wala eh. Nasa labas din
Eventually,
diba?
na-elect rin.
Oo. Isa lang naman natin na-convict, civil pa eh. Ang liability niya.
civil lang ba yun sa kanya?
Doon sa senator na yon, di ba?
So, yung PDAF kasi na naging issue noon, parang nagkaroon lang ng other name eh, di ba?
Yeah.
Yung funds, usapin is funds lagi. Ngayon, funds na naman.
Kaya nga, I hope we can invite our resource persons, those officials, whether in government or private, who feel that they have a voice to say, with want to contribute. We call on you. Our office, this studio is open to everyone. Di ba, Pards? So, Pards, last words.
Yes, hopefully we can set aside politics this time. So, welcome kayo. Gaya ng sabi ni Pards, welcome. Whether you're pro Duterte, you're pro Marcos, you're pro Christie, you're pro Yap. So, you're welcome.
Exactly. Well said, Pards. On the local scene, pro-Yap, ano pa ba? Yap and Angeles lang naman, ano?
Yap, Angeles,
Well, of course, Coangco.
Coangco.
Lahat welcome dito. We'll try to espouse these views as best as we can. And we'll see you soon. Sige.
Yes, see you.
Mabuhay ang Pilipino, mabuhay po tayong lahat. We'll see you soon.